Welcome everybody. In this video we're going to be unboxing the CR75 laser radar detector from Whistler. As you can see in the picture here, this does have the blue OLED display. It's got the built-in digital compass, and again on the display you can see here that's going to show our compass heading. In this instance it shows northeast 45 degrees, and it still lets us know that we're in the highway mode or city mode depending on which setting you're in. It's also got the real voice alerts. It's got the pop mode detection as well as the traffic flow signal rejection, and it does have the total laser detection, and this can allow it to detect laser guns like the LTI True Speed S, Laser Ally, and Laser Atlanta Stealth mode. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the box. And you can see on the back here we've got a little more complete list of the features on the radar detector, as well as a description of what some of these features are going to do for you. We'll go ahead and open up the box here and see what's inside. Okay, first thing we'll see here, we do have our power cord. That's going to plug into your 12-volt outlet in the vehicle and allow it to power the radar detector. Let's see here, we've also got the windshield bracket kit. It's got the metal windshield bracket along with the two suction cups and a little rubber bumper to keep it from tapping on the glass. We've also got our owner's manual in here. It's going to give you your operating instructions for the radar detector, as well as some general information about laser and radar. And then of course we've also got the radar detector itself. So let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this. We'll get it out of the bag here. Take off our little protective strips, and there we go. Okay, on the top of the unit here, right in the middle, this is where the speaker is located, so this is where all of our sound is going to come out of. We've got our 4 control buttons across the front here. We've got dark, quiet, city, and menu. These buttons are going to let you adjust the different settings available in the detector. And then on the side of the detector over here, we've got our power and volume switch. Of course, this is going to roll and it's going to click to turn the power on, and if we keep rolling, it'll adjust the volume up. And if we come back the other way, it'll adjust the volume back down and then click to turn the power off. Okay, up here in the corner we've got our bracket release button. If we press and hold this down, this is going to allow us to remove the windshield bracket after it's been locked into place. And then on the other side of the unit here we've got the power input. You'll plug your power cord into here. On the back of the unit, the laser and radar windows here. And just above that we've got the slot where the windshield bracket is going to snap into place. And then of course on the front of the unit, this is where our display is, so once we get that powered, it'll light right up. Okay, so this is the CR75 laser radar detector from Whistler. You can check out more of our videos at our YouTube channel. That's at youtube.com/WhistlerGroupInc. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.